How do you recognize a prospective project?
Well, we have a very, very specific investment criteria. We're very focused. We look for companies that have deep technology, usually in the form of software, within the internet, digital media, and telecom sectors. And within telecom, it's mostly mobile. We usually find the companies either ourselves by doing a lot of research and finding the right candidates, or people come to us. Either directly on our website. They can submit their business plans at plans@wildventures.com. It's an email address where anybody can send plans to. But then also people introduce us to various companies. The investment criteria starts with what I told you about sectors, and then goes deep, goes on and on, such as about the stage of the company. We like to see the product developed or almost developed. We like to see that no other big institutions have invested in the company for the most part, because they typically have a different exit strategy. So there's several different criteria, but they're all on our website.